Hello guys, welcome to Web3PM and today is episode number 12, and as you can see a lot of team members are joining right now so that we can have a talk with them and then we can start with our engineering tracker. So let's go with our team. Hey team, hi.
Hello.
Hi Shakti,
Hi.
Everyone.
very nice setup today that you have made.
Hello.
Oh, thank you so much.
We are getting there actually. You know,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
slowly, steadily.
it is.
We,
It's not just me, guys. It was all Rohit's help and Sandeep also. With three of us made it what it is today.
our executive producer from today is Sandy.
Yes.
Executive producer DOP. We have
Yes, yes. By the way, from today, guys, we are using a Restream. So if anyone from Restream is watching us, please do sponsor us, right? So that we can we can stream very nicely. And guys, if you want to enjoy Gasless transaction, go and check out WalletX and join our Telegram group so that we can give you the link for downloading WalletX. So here you can scan below, right?
Yeah, scan
So
below.
so guys,
Oh, this alignment, by the way, Shakti, if the alignment is like this, the alignment is like this over there also, no? So
Yeah.
everybody can actually pinpoint. So
Pinpoint,
to my right
yes,
is
yes.
Bhumik, right?
Yes, it is booming.
Yes.
Sandeep, you can you just check it up and let us know how it
Uh,
is?
yeah. I need to reduce this music and close it down. Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
When we start speaking, then just remove it altogether.
Correct. Yes. I should slowly reduce it down to that.
Yes.
I'll also send
Guys,
this.
guys, image is flipped there.
what?
Oh,
Image is flipped
This,
there.
images are flipped.
Yes,
So
WalletX ka images are flipped. matlab, whose is right? Everything is ulta kya?
yes, everything is ulta.
Okay. So we can try to change it.
How about now?
Video.
is it okay now, Sandeep?
Mirror को उल्टा कर देंगे तो it is done. Yes, now it should be fine. There is an option in the settings tab.
Mirror camera.
You can mirror the camera. Yeah.
Sandeep, is it proper, Abhi?
We
Yes.
can also do this. We can also do this.
Proper.
If somebody sends us now, so we can put all our comments over here on YouTube if they come here. So we can put an overlay over here. Yeah, pretty cool.
That's nice.
Try
That's
and show
nice.
it like this also.
That's great. That is great. So, Sandeep, did you check is it proper? You can also flip your camera by clicking on the settings and on the video tab, video section, and click on the mirror image, and it will be done. Flip
Yeah.
image. Yeah,
Yeah, perfect.
that is nice.
Great.
So, let's start with the engineering tracker, and I will let Arjun take over. So here we go.
Cool.
That engineering
Let's
tracker.
start it. I hope it is visible.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
but
it is.
Yes.
It is visible. Yes.
Let me check now where's the filter.
Hmm.
Oh wow, where is the filter?
I
Oh yeah. Shakti, yes, let's start with you.
Yes. So I was working on the user dashboard only today. I had a few changes. I have already done it. There was one minor error there where user whenever user tried to log in, he was not able to log in at the first go. But I also solved that with the help of Suraj Bhaiya. And now we are good to go from the user dashboard side. Tomorrow we can test it. On the Friday we can probably release it to the public so that they can enjoy cashless transactions and earn some XP as well with user dashboard.
Great.
And from the WalletX Soul NFT side, I would say I haven't started it yet, and I need to start them, and it will be done. And I guess we will be pushing this in the
So
some what is this called, Rohit? Some trial version, some teaser of Soul NFTs in the user dashboard may be pushed on
It's
Friday.
not yeah, it's a teaser, but it's in a
Teaser.
it's in the right way because we know that the thing is going to come there. So we
Yeah.
just keep a placeholder over there, and people will get to know
Yeah.
that that's coming. So that's like creating hype, something that we discussed earlier that we want to create more and more hype.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you worked with Suraj on this, right? On
Yes.
the user dashboard.
Yes. Right.
Also,
So.
one more thing. Before you start with Soul NFTs, now,
Hmm.
I'll create a mono repo. I'll create
Okay.
a each scaffold repo,
Okay.
which has a smart contract and complete hard hat project and a front
Okay.
end project also.
Okay.
You can keep pushing to the front end. I'll keep pushing to the hard hat one.
But the thing is, we need to add it on the user dashboard, right?
What the and Soul NFT is actually is just we are just putting a placeholder over there for it. But
Uh,
for from the front end point of view, there is nothing. We can implement the front end within maybe half a day. But major point is from the smart contract point of view. So,
Hmm.
but to and also second major point is from the design point of view. So Devon is right now working on creating those souls. So I've asked him to first create one first so that I can see, and then we will replicate it for 30. So
okay.
that for 30 days we know that we can just keep pushing that on from the backside, in the smart contract itself. So so that's the idea. From front end, it's just putting a placeholder over there. That's it.
He's talking about more on the later part of things regarding the Soul NFTs. So I guess we will be adding it on the user dashboard only, Arjun. So we don't need, but you can use each scaffold. I'll just have a small front end there so that you are able to interact with the contract as visually as well. And then later I will just copy and paste it on the user dashboard itself. So it will be easier for me as well, right?
Not needed. I'll interact with it on the
Each
remix
scaffold wala
itself.
place
So
only. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That I can directly create the hard hat project.
Okay, then
No
it's
need of
fine.
scaffolding. Yes. Cool. Cool. That sounds good.
Okay.
Sandeep. Yes, bro.
So from my side, I was working on about section today, and I was making website responsive, and I have updated the images.
So is it on in progress? या फिर is it in review?
It's in progress actually.
Cool, cool. Baki, what about this one?
What? What?
What about the detailed roadmap?
Uh, I'm not. I haven't worked on it today. I will tomorrow.
Cool. I
What
think
he means to say is
he hasn't started.
he
Uh,
means to say is that no, we've made the roadmap is actually done, but what we need to do is get walletx.com/roadmap. This needs to go on the website. So from visual perspective, how is it that it's going to look? So today me and Sandy had a conversation, and I just told him, just pick up one of the formats from some good place, and then let's push it. Let's just show the first version so that we can get inputs from the whole team, and if we like it, so we will implement it directly over there.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Just
Yeah.
I think. Oh, I forgot to send you some references also, but I was more line thinking of
Yeah,
having a.
yes.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I was
Like a
thinking
snack.
to
And
do
if you
that.
have now, if you have some links or something where we can check Arjun, so you can put it in our Discord server, no? Yeah.
Sandeep, after the call, just give me a reminder, okay?
Yeah, I'll ping you.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Teams page on. I think this is done, no?
Teams
Yeah,
page.
yeah, it's done.
It's
It's
done, but it's not done from the mobile responsive. Is it
yeah.
done mobile?
No, not yet.
So then why is it not done? It's so very simple. Mobile version. Why is it not getting done? But
Actually, I didn't got the time today, and I was
acha, acha.
working
Okay,
on
okay,
some
okay.
things.
But did you get the mobile version from Wiki?
No, not yet.
So then you should ask Wiki.
Yeah,
है ना?
we
Then you should ask Wiki in his group in his UI channel and ask him where is the file. Bhai, you need to push it for Friday's this thing na release na.
yes, correct.
The more we put in the completion stage all our tasks, the better, right? Na, in every Friday ka push.
Yeah, so Vicky, when are you going to post it by?
The
No, no.
team
What I
wala, no?
mean is you can.
I'm just asking, Vicky, have you?
Yeah, the team wala I haven't started working on because I'm working on those extension screens, but I'll do this on priority. The team wala mobile version I'll give it to you tomorrow.
Yeah, nice.
Great, great.
That is nice, huh? By the way, Sandeep is multitasking right now, huh?
He is. That's why he is not able to comprehend कि भाई
Comprehend, right?
अगला line बोलूं क्या? भाई,
Sandeep, if you want,
Either
na,
way,
I can. The
He's
first
fine.
person to speak is me. After that, I can have the whole space for me itself, so that I can do the thing as well, right?
yeah, correct. When your section is coming now, so you shouldn't look at all of these things. It's
Yeah.
true for all of us. Like
Yes.
because
Right.
we three are checking from that backside, no?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You guys don't have to worry after till the engineering tracker starts. After then, I can just manage.
Boss.
Okay. So
No
from
worries.
my side, I am working on the advertiser dashboard. Today I didn't get much time to work on, but yeah, I had a talk with Rohit. We had some suggestions to for the look and feel of the website. So yeah, I will be
what
working
stage is it
on
in?
this. Yep.
What stage is it in?
Currently, we have just built a basic onboarding form, and we are making the dashboard same as like user dashboard, like look and feel like user dashboard. So once
Got
it
it.
will be
We
done, I will be deploying it to the railway, and all can have a look at it. Then
Bhumik, do you think but we will be able to get this out in for the next Friday's release? Kya?
I don't think so because there will be so back and throw,
There will be
like there
smart
are so
contract.
many things we will have to do into it. So yeah, we will
Yeah,
try
yeah.
to
So
finish
let's
this.
target. Let's try this Friday. So it is not possible only, but we can
Not
try for
possible.
next Friday then. Yeah,
Let's target for this Friday. Then we'll definitely get it out by next
I
Friday.
like it. Yes,
Okay,
let's
you
target
are
for
you are
this
saying
Friday
hmm. You are
because
saying the
that's what
full.
happened with user dashboard. Okay, we targeted
I was
for
not intending to bring that up, but it's okay.
By from my side, it was already completed. है ना? It was just the some
Yeah.
API shit. No worries, no worries.
Oh, by the way, where credits due? So yesterday I gave a task to Sandeep. So I had to load around 6,000
Hmm.
entries on Mixpanel. I thought it will be just a 20 minutes work. You just have to scroll to the end, and it loads 100 data at a time. So you just have to scroll to the bottom, click on load more, and keep doing that.
uh,
So Sandeep had to spend like a good 45 minutes to 1 hour on that.
Why it was more than, let me tell you, it was
thank
more than
you.
that. Why I was
Bye.
I was sitting with him and he was
This
talking to me.
all
God
this
knows
Was
this,
this.
this
around
is
two
our
hours.
this is our thank you.
Uh,
No, bhai. Thank you,
why
Sandy.
it was around 2 hours. Why he was on call with me. I was the one who was listening to his uh, blabbering at that time.
So after 1,000 entries, Mixpanel started loading very slowly.
Okay,
Okay.
So for every entry, it was taking around 3 or 4 minutes literally. So Sandeep had to sit through the whole torture.
सब्र का फल पैसा है.
पैसा होता है, डेटा भी होता है.
true, true, true.
So yeah, Suraj ka to update he already posted, but he was testing the extension on Uniswap and it is working. Also, he has pushed the version to for our internal release also, so all of us can just try it out. This one
Version 2 of.
is the internal.
Version 2 of WalletX extension he's talking
अच्छा,
about,
not
right?
for me, not for me. हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah, it's for you also. You can also test it. So this is available only for our internal team. So
But
on,
what do you mean? Like I'll have to download that developer mode wala WalletX, na?
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
have to just sign in with your email ID
Hmm.
and then
No,
you'll get
no.
access
So
to this
no,
one.
no, I don't
It
want to get
it is what
confused.
he was telling it to you in the evening itself, na? That we can do the gasless transaction on other dApps he
Yeah.
talked about. Yeah.
अच्छा, I thought कि
Uh,
it is pushed on the main
no,
extension
no,
only, but
that's what I was telling you, na, that we have to do it on the user dashboard part as well.
okay,
Uh,
okay. User dashboard nahi, but yeah, from the main extension
uh,
part. Yeah.
yes, yes,
So
right.
good progress on that part. Also, we are in touch with the Biconomy people. We need some of their support, uh, technical support. Uh, so we are in conversation for that also.
So basically, today we were the highlight of today is that we were able to connect to Uniswap.
Uniswap and
Yes,
many more apps we can connect.
Yeah, that's
yes.
crazy. That's good. That's a good pace.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
nice.
Yes, Rohit.
For me, WalletX website, we are almost done. There are 3 or 4 different pages that we want to push. Although the content of that page is ready, but we need to just push the view of it. Soul NFTs के लिए अभी Devon made the first Soul NFT design. So any NFT will have 2 segments in it. From the visual appearance point of view, one is the static the feel of NFT, and another section is whenever somebody touches that, so it bursts into something. So there are 2 elements to all NFTs. So he's working on creating a format for it. So that should be done by tomorrow. Once that is done, so we will be able to replicate that for many other NFTs as well. Advertiser dashboard, today me and Bomik got on call. I've given him some feedback. We will try to push for this week of Scrum, but if it's not, so we will move to next. Roadmap, from the content side, everything is done. It's just the visual appearance. So we will definitely close this for this week of update. Developer mode is completed from
Yeah.
my side, and the video is done, but it needs to be done from the tech side. Um, User dashboard launch video is already done since very long time. We are just waiting for you guys to let us know. Karnika feedback and implementation is shared by him now, so he has seen the documentation. We've given him all the details, given access to all of the things, and initiated conversation in Telegram channel. I've also requested all of our team members to please message in the group over there. In that group, we should make that group actually main group,
Team.
and yeah, and talk over there. And pitch deck and everything is updated only. So this I will move it. We can move it actually uh, to completed. I no, sorry, pitch deck mein there is pending. There is a whole lot of details that we discussed on Sunday. My
Yeah.
bad. Sorry. This is not completed. This is completely going to be revamped into a different segment only. So I will take help from somebody else to create a design aspect of it. But content I will start putting now. What else is?
Even Vicky shared one good format, no, for pitch deck.
Yes.
Yeah, he shared a good flow of the
Flow.
presentation,
Yeah.
but not the feel of every slide. I don't think that's very good. But flow wise, I'm going to take Vicky's suggestion and put all of those segments in the website for in the pitch deck for sure. Today we also created this whole live stream setup as well, and so we will be going live stream little bit professionally, I guess. There's a bit of a learning curve for all of us, but we'll try it out. Yeah. What else is there? There is. Oh, I also did one more very important thing today, which is I removed the access of Celestials from the Get Involved section, and I changed it back to Tech and Non-Tech. The reason is, of course, because we don't want competitors to just flock around, check what we are doing, and just copy and replicate it, in their aspect. So yeah,
So it's
that's
just us, the
Yeah.
ones in the team, right? Yeah.
the only
Right.
only the core team, which includes the partners as well.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I also saw there was an email regarding foundership also. You can check the hello email.
Yes. Pradeep is. I'm in touch with Pradeep actually. He's. I sent him a message like last month, and he's been out. He's been traveling maybe. So he's not responded to me in DM. But if he's messaged in foundership, so I'll just check the email.
Hmm.
What happens is the mail that I'm using actually, if somebody opens the mail over there in
Yeah.
the main this, so I can't, it doesn't come in my unread section in my MacBook. So that's a little bit bummer.
Hmm. Yeah, that's
Uh,
why I didn't read the email.
Actually, so let's do this now, Arjun. Actually, what we should do is, if we read the email now and we feel, whoever reads the email and we feel ki that is relevant for somebody, so we can share that email to their personal email address only. So I'll
Yeah.
share it to it's Arjun, and you can share it to me. Any non-tech stuff you can share it to me only directly.
That
Arjun,
makes
your screen stopped sharing.
no, for me it's still there.
Yeah, it's there. It's there. It's there.
Okay,
Uh,
no worries.
the room
Just
is
refresh.
full. Guest is trying to join.
Sandeep is trying to join. He asked me for link, but
But the
I
room is
think
full.
only 6 people can join at a time.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the premium version of this is going to cost us around $500 per year,
Woo! Oh,
which
here.
Huh?
Per year, okay, I thought.
Per
Okay.
year. So the right way to do this is actually, so let's get out of Restream. This week we can experiment and break it up a little bit. But let's set up the whole Restream instead of Restream, sorry, into what's it called? OBS.
OBS.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Omegle. मैं Omegle बोल रहा हूँ, yeah. Let's set up OBS actually properly with all the same similar screens and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so till the time he's trying to join us, Sandeep, you can just let him know that sorry for today's inconvenience that you are not able to join, right? Because we won't be able to shift right now to the Discord. So you
We
can tell
won't be
him
able.
that from tomorrow you can join us, right? And we are really sorry for that. And by the way, Rohit, you can also share that you talked to some, you were talking to someone about KOLs, but you got some lead over.
Yeah. I also shared it, correct. Yeah, this was the main point actually that led to Karnika's conversation in the group in the morning.
Yeah.
So I was talking to a VC. They wanted actually KOLs from me, and I just told them that I'm also building a project, and the whole conversation just went towards that only. Then. Not towards this. So they asked me to share some details to them. I will share all of the details, but I'm waiting for Karnika to just check it once before I don't want to send all these important things to other VCs before I get
I think,
just
yeah.
at least one opinion from Karnika. Yeah.
Hmm,
Yeah, that makes sense.
nice.
Yes, so coming to my tracker. So yesterday I did some updates to the backend Node.js API. So I added, so users who have been testing WalletX till 3rd of May will be able to get some additional EXP points. So because they are early supporters. So that is one thing that I updated. Apart from that, so based on your feedback from Sunday, uh, gasless and batch transaction should happen on the mainnet. Only then you'll be eligible for the EXPs, and the recipient should be some other address apart from his own address. So I've added these two checks as well. So these two also I've completed. I've pushed it. Apart from that, I think, yeah, pretty much everything else is covered. Yeah, I'm also returning the user's wallet's name also from the database. So
Super.
yeah, I've also reset the whole task. I mean task expiry.
Leaderboard.
Yeah, and EXP points also
Leaderboard.
for all the users. Now, one thing we
Okay, we
need to
can
fix.
have. Sorry,
Harsh,
sorry, sorry. No, no, nothing, nothing. Sorry, you continue.
yeah. So one thing we need to fix. So Suraj and I was looking into it. Bhumik, I need your help also on that. So mix panel, I've been doing couple of transactions, but my events are not getting saved. I did it yesterday evening also, today also, like just some time back, but the events are not showing up on the mix panel. So एक बार भूमिक आप भी check कर लेना. If it
Hmm.
doesn't work, then let's connect and let's look into it.
Yes, sure. Let's connect on that.
Yeah. Apart from that, I'll get started with the Soul NFTs. That's the only thing remaining from in progress. And yeah, I mean, we also need to speak about Kunal.
Yeah.
So he's a
Hmm.
pretty great guy. I
Okay,
mean,
I
when
guess
you think
we
about
already talked about him, right?
Let's get him on board if we've discussed
Yeah, yeah.
if we all think.
Yeah,
So
by the way, last time we talked about him, you guys had some things to know about his time, how much time he will be able to give, है ना? So I
um,
talked with him. So he said कि he will be able to give around 4 to 5 hours daily, and Saturday Sunday full day he will be there.
super.
that's
Yeah,
Let's get him on board
yeah,
for maybe 1 or 2 days. He can join our 3 p.m. call or in the afternoon. Just get to know each other, get the feel of it, open up, share
yes,
some jokes and everything. So that he can start, at least first he needs to start understanding ki what all set of work is happening.
yes,
So 1 or 2 days he will take just to digest. So many
mm,
things are being done at the same time.
right, right,
Yeah,
right. But he will pick it up. He will pick it up.
yeah, he will.
he will, yeah.
Yeah.
I just soon
Uh,
this ticket to done. So
okay,
let's
that's
onboard
fine.
to Discord and everything can be
Yeah,
Yeah.
done.
yeah. We will share him the link.
So what I will also do now, every Friday when we release on the extension also the details, I will also share details of what we did from non-tech side also. For
Mhm.
Yes.
example, we onboarded one more person in our team, and we are experimenting with that. Also, we did this, we that, and all of those things. That is not a part of extension. For example, website went live and this and that. So everything that is going in the production stage at that on that day, I will just pick it up. You know that
Right.
does that sound fine, Arjun?
Yeah, yeah.
It actually sounds good. That actually
So the
simple.
next this day when we go out, so all of those things can be archived so that it is fresh again. So I
Hmm.
can create video content. I'm actually discussing with Devon to make a template for every week's push that we are going to do from the team, so we can share it on Twitter and other places. So once the week is over, so we can reset the whole thing, and then I can pick up the next week from there only, right?
Yes. That's nice. And by the way, why did you stop sharing? I guess we have one member left for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where is it?
wiki.
Yes. I got used to this flow, so I
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. No worries, no worries, no worries. I am there to remind you. So, Vicky sir,
Yes,
you
Vicky
are up.
sir.
Yeah, so I'm still working on those extensions, and we
Hmm.
needed the change in the typography and the icons. So I've done that. Also, I have uh, like I need to discuss this because on the dashboard, the typography is different than what I have given on Figma file. So
Hmm.
I need to discuss that with Shakti and Devon. But I have been continuing my work with the same, and I have sort of decided on what font we should go, and that would stick with the entire design system that we build for WalletX. Like
Okay.
may it be dashboard or website or whatever, that will be the same font. So that is something that I have done. Uh,
Hmm.
Nice.
Nice. If you have anything specific, right? Like so that when I open the ticket,
I will
whenever I
just
open,
share those. Yeah, I'll just share those with you so that the entire team can have it their say on
you can
whether we
either put a comment or you can put a description here.
Hey, no, we should put it in our Discord server, yeah.
I
Discord
think
पे
when we come back to, so for example, I'll show you something. We
I
should put it
haven't
in
been
the
filling
Discord,
this.
but there are some things like, so whenever I come back here, I know what I have to do. Some minor points, bullet points. We should put this in Discord also, but on the ticket also it's fine.
yeah.
Even in Sandeep's ticket, I've committed, have to make it mobile responsive, etc.
Yes. So, I
I,
guess
I,
this.
I should be putting comments in this, right?
Yeah,
Along with
whatever you feel like. Otherwise, Discord is also fine. We are constantly communicating on Discord.
yeah, because I'm doing that on Discord, so I'll also fill this in.
Yeah, yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I think
Also, I wanted to Rohit discuss about the NFT, the Soul NFT thing. I told you that I have an idea about it. Like the other day, I mean, we can discuss this later once the engineering thing is the tracker thing is
Okay.
done.
So, this
we are
is
done.
some of our engineering tracker side, and now we can talk about our tech side of things as well as we can discuss about what team is doing. So, here is our team. Yes.
Hey, what is engineering tracker? कौन डाल रहा है ये?
Our beloved Sandeep sir.
नहीं, I didn't do.
You didn't do it? Okay, okay, ठीक है.
Okay, okay. So why it came? I believe कि it was on the host screen. है
From
ना?
the team
Yeah,
screen
yeah,
to
yeah.
host screen when it went on, so it came there.
You should as soon as you on it now, Sandeep. Just close
Hmm.
it as soon as
Close
you.
it out.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is only for 1 week time. We will move to OBS because we cannot have just 6 people. Now we
Yes.
are 9 people in the team, guys. I mean, like 9 people.
Uh,
We got a tough crowd.
By the way, why are we so shy right
Yes,
now? So till the time
Even
people
you
are
would
thinking
be
what
saying
this.
super to the team.
Yeah, yeah.
Put a lot
So
of pressure on everyone else.
yeah. No worries, no worries. Still, the time team is thinking about thinking about something. You guys can do gasless transaction on WalletX, and you can go and follow us on Twitter as well and Telegram as well, and you can scan this QR code for your ease so that you can go and check out us at
I want to
Telegram.
come here. I want to come here. Yeah, check this out.
No, no,
Sorry,
it is on your left. Okay, yeah, right. Check this out, guys. Check this out.
check this
Okay,
out.
okay, it is
Check
period. Okay, it
this
is
out.
period. No
Yes.
If
worries.
if
So
Restream guys are watching, if
yes,
Restream people are watching, please
you
download
guys
one.
have 1 week, है ना,
Save
before we start
yeah,
using
save a lot of
OBS.
money on gas fees and give us a premium.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Enjoy your gasless transactions on all the evergreen major EVM chains out there, and
How did you substitute it with Evergreen, bro?
yeah,
It was something something else was coming.
I had to tone down a lot of my energy on these
Getting there.
streams.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's just tough for me. You
Getting
can,
there.
yeah,
Hey, but good job, huh? Shakti, yaar. You know,
yeah.
it's a good job done for first live stream, I think. So thumbs
Yes.
up for you. I think
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
great work, and our executive director, of course, Sandy.
Yes,
So
yes.
he's been struggling. Button console, but he's
But we
also
will figure it out, guys. We will
uh,
figure it out.
Camera person and sound dada, Crypto Rohit.
He literally said camera person and sound dada.
That's the
oh,
thing.
It is fine. It is fine.
yeah.
Okay. So
If we like this for 1 week, है ना, and if we really like this, so then we will just take restream, yaar.
we cannot we can, you know what we can do? We can take the 200 wala na. You said 500,
$190 wala bhi hai, but I think there's only 6 people that can log in, that can come in here. $90.
but it is not given. Show me all plans.
Let's do
Oh,
research. Let's do research later. Let's maybe we can wrap up the call also.
okay.
If you want, Shakti.
Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. And today was a great day. We tested Restream. Now it is time for us to say bye to you. And till that time, you enjoy your gasless transactions on EVM chains. And you can scan this QR code to get to our Telegram community, and let's talk there. Okay, then, guys, let's
Bye
end it.
bye. Yes, I want to listen to the ending music.
Bye.
Yes.
We are going there. We are going there.